Isang eksplosibong performance na naman ang ipinamalas ng ating kababayang si Mark Magnifico Magsaayo laban sa boksingerong taga-Ecuador na si Brian Mercado.
He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him.
Gaya ng mga dating laban niya, na ginamitan ito ng mga powerful punch combinations.
Long shot, a beautiful lead right hook and a right uppercut by Magsayo, and that drops Ramirez. And he's hurt.
We saw that when he fought Rigondeaux.
Magsayo drops him in round one.
Oh boy.
December 15, 2024 sa Thunder Studios, Long Beach, California, USA. Ginanap ang laban ni Mark Magsayo laban kay Brian Mercado ng bansang Ecuador.
And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He is the former WBC featherweight champion of the world from Ventura, California by way of Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines. Please welcome Mark Magnifico Magsayo!
Ang laban nila ay nakatakda sa 6-round super featherweight fight.
Over the rules in the dressing room, you both know what I expect out of you. A good, tough, clean fight. The belt line is good here. The belt line is good here. Let's go to work.
He hasn't fought a six-rounder since 2014, brother. But he said, hey, I want to stay busy.
Sa unang bahagi ng round 1, ipinakita ni Brian Mercado ang kanyang pagiging athletic.
It's not going to be a cakewalk or someone takes you out to dinner. You're going to have to earn every round, earn every single punch. And, he's matched up with a man with 18 professional fights.
Yeah, and we saw that right out of the beginning. Right there, Mercado hit him with that left hand.
At minsan tumama ang kanyang mga suntok kay Magsayo.
I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity to show my skills to the world once again.
You saw that beautiful setup right there from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. He said, I can't overreach, I can't lunge in, and he's starting to do that. He's got to set up his punches with that jab.
I agree with you. Don't get caught extending. You never know what this man has. Counterpuncher could sit down on something.
Ang laban namang ito ay pangalawa ni Magsayo nitong taong 2024.
Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You're looking at the stars.
He almost got him there with that left. And Brian Mercado, he's ready. I mean, let's remember and let's remind people that Brian Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against Kermel Moten. But Moten came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moten, obviously a great prospect from Mayweather Promotions, and obviously he said, no, I can't fight this guy 50. He's ready.
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight. That's part of their game plan. And even the advice they give people, coming over.
I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But Brian said, no, I'm not taking the fight. And here he is.
Pagkatapos lumipas ang 2 minuto sa round 1, binitawan na ni Magsayo ang kanyang mga powerful punch combinations na nagpabagsak kay Mercado.
He's just great. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. There you go. Walked him down, beautiful shot to the body.
He dropped his mouthpiece. That's experience right there. A veteran move to catch some air, to gain, opportunity to recover a little bit. But Magsayo, he's experienced. He's gonna go for
There he goes again. And I'm looking at the corner of Magsayo, and they seem to be upset about something. I'm looking at Brandon.
They're probably talking about the mouthpiece that he spent, but here he is again, Magsayo. Magsayo is a great finisher.
At sa round 2, tinuldukan na ni Magsayo ang kanilang laban ni Mercado.
Magsayo having fun in there.
This referee, I think he's getting ready to call it. Give him his count. Give him his 10 count. Let him see. Let him see what he has. The referee's going to stop this.
Yeah, I'm
If
surprised.
not,
I'm
if not, I'm
surprised
surprised the
Mercado got
corner.
up. I thought he was just gonna stay there.
I'm surprised the corner doesn't stop it. Great stoppage. Oh, and a flip to entertain everybody.
At isa na namang tagumpay na laban ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo.